Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
नहीं ऐसा कोई प्रोसेस नहीं था. This is my life, raw, unfiltered, 100% out there. Right. I don't have a lot of black in my wardrobe. If you see, my wardrobe is very colorful and very happening. Being Urfi Javed, right? That's my guilty pleasure. देख लो यार जाके प्लीज यार. Right. अभी क्या बोलूं, ऑडियंस को हम रिक्वेस्ट ही कर सकते हैं ना, ऐसा थोड़ी बोलेंगे कि बी मतलब फॉलो कर.
इनके शो का नाम तो ये जरूर है, बट नाउ आफ्टर द सेंसेशन शी हैज बिकम, आई थिंक उर्फी जावेद विल से द लास्ट थिंग एज फॉलो कर लो यार, बिकॉज एज शी हरसेल्फ सेड, यू कैन लव हर, यू कैन हेट हर, यू कैन ट्रोल हर, यू कैन जज हर, एनीथिंग, बट यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर हर. वेलकम उर्फी टू इंडिया फोरम्स. सो शो रिलीज हो चुका है, एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक हैज चेंज्ड फॉर यू आफ्टर द शो? हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
अभी तक कुछ ऐसा चेंज नहीं हुआ है. I'm yet to feel the change, but I'm just excited. I'm happy. I really want this show to be the #1 show in India.
Yeah. And have you been reading reviews?
No, I don't read reviews. Reviews are reviews are just but response अच्छा है audience का. Everyone who's watched it is like we binge watched it and we loved it. Even the IMDb rating is quite good considering it's a reality show. It's 7 out of 10, which is amazing.
Right. So you know when you started for this show, आपने बहुत कुछ सोचा होगा कि मुझे क्या इसमें incorporate करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. You have to think a lot about it. तो how did you went for that process, and आपको कैसे लगा कि ये चीज़ definitely इसमें होनी चाहिए and ये चीज़ को eliminate करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं ऐसा कोई process नहीं था. This is my life, raw, unfiltered, 100% out there. Right. ऐसा कुछ elimination कुछ नहीं हुआ है, और दिमाग में हमारे ये नहीं था कि ये दिखाना है, ये नहीं दिखाना है. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था.
Okay. एंड आपका ये जो प्रोसेस है, आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि इसमें ऐसा कौन सा सेलिब्रिटी हो गया या फिर ऐसा कौन सा पर्सन हो गया who was most supportive to you, and during that process they came to you and had a good conversation with you?
Ananya right now.
Okay.
मतलब अभी she loved the show. Yeah. So she's been a very big cheerleader, and of course Ori. Okay. I love Ori. He's too cute.
Now I'll get to the segment directly, क्योंकि ये question answers and आपकी लाइफ के बारे में तो हमने शो में देख ही लिया.
Yeah.
So Ananya, so Urfi.
Oh my God! Did you just call me Ananya?
You just said that and it was running in my mind.
But okay, I don't mind being called Ananya.
So I'll start with, you have to choose between these two options.
Okay.
Money or respect?
Money.
Fame or true love?
Fame.
Okay. Staying with family or independently?
Independently.
Walking at a Met Gala or being invited to the most prestigious wedding?
Met Gala? मतलब of course wedding क्या है?
Making a song video with Ed Sheeran or getting a picture with SRK?
SRK.
Be featured as a lead in a Kejo movie or get to design clothes as your own label for him?
Follow कर लो यार.
Be a guest at KWK, Coffee with Karan, or get an appearance as a celebrity for Keeping Up with the Kardashians?
Keeping Up.
Right. And if given a chance to do a cosplay, play Kangana from Fashion or Kareena from Kabhi Khushi Kabhie Gham?
Kareena.
Okay. Now I'll put some rapid fire questions for you. Heels or sneaker? What
heels. Always. You'll never see me in flats. Okay. Never. That's not me.
If you had to wear one outfit for the rest of your life, what would that be?
Anything that's skin tight. I don't like. For the rest of my life. Oh, sorry. Agar no. Then I usually what I wear. I wear ढीले boxers and loose t-shirts.
Yes.
और अंदर या फिर जिम का कोई outfit. तो मैं usually जिम के कपड़ों में होती हूँ. I think that
comfortable. So is there a fashion trend you absolutely hate?
I think बिल्कुल fashion trend right now.
Right now or anything जो इतने टाइम से चल रहा है and you hated it, that no, this doesn't work for me?
Trends तो trends होते हैं सभी, ऐसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
जैसे I don't like skinny jeans.
I think skinny jeans on boys. Yeah. I think girls can still pull off skinny jeans even now. I don't mind skinny jeans at all. Yes. But not on guys. Fair. I don't know, like लड़कों को देख के थोड़ा सा लगता है. Oh no.
Right. Is there a fashion accessory you cannot live without?
Fashion accessory. So I don't know, I wear this 24 locket
Always.
always. So this is maybe, it's not a fashion accessory, it's just an accessory.
Yeah. Would you rather wear black forever or never wear black again?
Never wear black again.
Okay, you don't like it.
No, I like it, but I'm not a.
Yeah,
I don't
right.
have a lot of black in my wardrobe. If you see, my wardrobe is very colorful and very
Okay.
happening.
Oh. What's the most unexpected place you found your fashion inspiration?
Lady Gaga.
Oh. Vintage or futuristic? Which style excites you the most?
Futuristic, as you can see my
Yes.
shades.
What's the one fashion rule you always break?
I never follow rules. Come on, you've seen my outfit.
Of course. What's your guilty pleasure in fashion?
Guilty pleasure, matlab?
Like, you know, you have to do it, and like you think that people will think it wrong, but you just do it.
Being Urfi Javed.
Right.
That's my guilty pleasure.
What do you think is the biggest misconception people have about your fashion choices?
It's not a misconception, it's the truth that my fashion sense is very weird.
Right.
I agree.
So, you know, when this show came with the show, did you feel that these answers of the people will be get answered, that they'll get a better clarity of you who are as a person?
I mean, it's you can see 100% of me there. So if you get clarity from it, amazing. But I don't know. I just put my life out there for people. I don't think कि हर कोई इसको अच्छा लेगा या हर कोई बोलेगा कि ये clarity मिली है. जितने लोग उतनी बात है.
And you know, you have always been upfront for the trolls, for the criticism you have been receiving. But at a point, ऐसा कोई point आया था when you felt that no, I cannot take this anymore? Did you?
बहुत points होते हैं यार ऐसे life में, लगता ही रहता है. But then you overcome it.
Right. And also I wanted to ask that, as you have talked about the challenges, आपने बात की है कि आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही है, हर पॉइंट पे जो challenges है उसको आपने ओवरकम किया है. बट वो कौन सा पॉइंट था when you felt the most powerful and you yourself gave validation कि नहीं उर्फी, you are going on the right path and this is where you want to be?
I think when I signed follow कर लो यार.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's when you felt that yeah, this
Maybe
is
I'm on the right path.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
I should continue doing this.
Right. And lastly, for those who haven't watched the show, आप उनको क्या कहना चाहेंगे? A message.
मैं बीप कि गाली नहीं दे सकते अभी. देख लो यार जाके प्लीज यार.
Right.
अभी क्या बोलूं, ऑडियंस को हम रिक्वेस्ट ही कर सकते हैं ना, ऐसा थोड़ी बोलेंगे कि बीप मतलब फॉलो कर.
And do you think a season 2 might come for this?
No, I don't think. I believe. I think it will. Of course, we are already trending number 1.
Right.
तुम नहीं चाहती है?
चाहते हो?
बस अभी तुम्हें कैमरे में देख के बोलना है.
Season 2 coming soon.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
so
Thank
much.
you.